Good morning. Boy, it is windy here. We've got a squirrel in the tree. We got one on the balcony. And trying to get to the bird feeder. It is windy and raining and sleeting. And they're having a little bit of a hard time hanging on to that plastic bird feeder this morning. Can you see the dude in the tree right there? So normally he will jump and land right where that other one is sitting. So these guys are not two good friends. Oh. Okay. Where'd he go? Notice I got the bird feeders hanging now. I put the suet blocks to the outside of the railings instead of the inside. And cleaning things off and getting ready to put up some hummingbird feeders as soon as it gets a little bit warmer. And mind you, we are 3 stories off the ground here at this point. There's the other little guy. So I was here first. And let me tell you, that wood gets wet. It is slick. Look at this, he's down here. I hate trying to film this through this filthy, dirty, wet window, but what else can I do, right? Where you going, little guy? Said, I want that. Yep, that's it. Oh, he's eating the suet cake. Now that is a first that I've seen. Aww. That suet cake, there's no telling how old that suet feeder is. That one used to be my mom's. You see how big the squares are? And then compared to this one over here, you see how tiny the little squares are? They empty that big one every day. It's so much easier for the birds to get their beaks in there. The other one is harder, but... Alright, well, I guess we're having breakfast here at the lake. Yeah, let's just take a look and see what's going on over here. Let's make me show you like seashells. Let's see here. Okay, this is glass. It's much better on this side. Oh boy, big yawn. Alright, good morning everybody. Have a great day. Here we are on the 25th, and I think we're supposed to have rain all day. Look at that turtle. He's just like going, what? So it's windy like that. You hear the other wind chimes, and here this guy's hanging upside down by his back toes, 3 stories off the ground in the wind and rain. That is talent. Alright, well, that's what we got. Love you all. Bye for now. Oh, that little guy on the suet, he's just intense. Okay, bye for now.